Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making shakshuka. First heat up and grease your pan, then add in onions and red pepper. Stir fry them together until the onion's a bit translucent. Next, add in your garlic, paprika, cumin, and your chili powder. Mix well for about a minute. Then pour in your can of whole tomatoes and use the spatula to crush the tomatoes. Add in salt and pepper and mix well. Let the sauce simmer like so, then add 3 eggs. Let the eggs cook and you're done. Remove the shakshuka from the stovetop and let's garnish with avocados, cilantro, and feta cheese. Add in some bread slices and voila! Taste test time!
Actually pretty good.
Correction, it was so good. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.